Hey guys, welcome back. Let's unbox my Christmas gifts to myself, and this is gift number 2. Same as gift number 1, I bought this a chunk and plus points din since meron pang Happy Holidays sa packaging, which makes it festive and perfect for the season. Siguro guys, by this time, pansin nyo, I really like shopping at chunk. Well, one, because they offer promos, so I get to save and get good deals on my favorite brands. So let's open gift number 2, and this is jewelry from Charriol. They included a paper bag in the package, and gusto ko yung 40th anniversary paper bags nila, especially this colorful C monogram on the sides. So let's see what's inside the bag. And just like last year guys, Charriol has a holiday promo where they give out ornaments for a minimum purchase. The packaging of the ornament is nice. You have this purple box with the C monogram design, and it even says limited edition. So let's unbox the ornament first guys, and what I like about their ornaments is the premium quality since hindi siya made of plastic. I have one from last year and ganun din, it's the same quality, and it's nice to know na hindi nila tinitipid yung quality ng free items nila. For this year's ornament, they played around with their C monogram. They intertwined it to create this shape. And if you also notice, it says 2024 dun sa ornament as well. Now, let's unbox my new jewelry. And again, I've been wanting this bangle ever since this was first released, I think early 2023. By the way, Charriol has been shifting to sustainable packaging lately, and it's even indicated on the boxes. So if you've been buying Charriol from before, siguro ito rin yung una nyong mapapansin when you buy new Charriol items today. Even though cardboard na lang yung boxes, maganda pa rin siya. Boxes are still nice and luxe, and they still retain the felt lining inside, so premium pa rin yung itsura. Of course, with every Charriol jewelry purchase, inside the box you have your warranty card. And again, since they are shifting to sustainability, the cards are now cardboard compared to the plastic ones from before. Anyway, so this bangle is the better half bangle, and I got the gold two-tone colorway. For the design, the bangle has the iconic twisted cable motif that Charriol is known for, and you have this polished gold steel with Charriol engraved on it. So let me wear this guys, and let's see what this looks like on my wrist. For reference, this is a size large, and same size siya with my Ibiza bangle that I'm also wearing. So let me show you guys some of my Charriol jewelry collection. So here on my right wrist, I have the better half bangle and the Ibiza bangle. On my left wrist naman, I have the two-tone fabulous bangle with the citrine stones on the ends and the legend bangle with Charriol spelled out as the design. So these are just some of my jewelry guys, and clearly I'm a fan of the brand. And excited pa ako to see new designs this year para madagdagan pa yung Charriol collection ko. I hope you like this unboxing video, and thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog. Bye guys!